My name is Gabe Matthews, and we had Restoration Mastery come to our location to do a private class with my sales reps along with a couple key managers, and it has just way exceeded my expectations. I know OP and Tim are, high energy and have a lot to bring to the table, and I think that my company is, I put you guys up with anybody, everyone at my company, and he's allowing us to kind of push ourselves to that next limit.
We want to be looking at the daily activity and the weekly activity. What kind of activities produce results?
It's easy to be able to lead one way for everyone, but it's much more impactful and you get more leverage and more scale when you're able to lead to the individual.
I always think that I'm trying to do the best and trying to make sure that I can bring the best out of everybody, but this has really opened our eyes and opened our hearts to kind of see what exactly we need to work on. Not financially, not client-wise, but more internally too, and realize that it's not just about the dollar figure, it's about that legacy and the effect that we're gonna make in our community and in our lives.
But I'm gonna do this, because I'm not gonna let my team down.
Whoa!
Right? Second place, John!
Yes! Make your move! Yes! Make your move! Yes! Make your move!
I was just shattered on how epic this was. So pretty cool. If you guys are ever thinking of doing something like this, don't think about it. I want to do this every freaking year. That's how stoked I am.